Welcome back to Amazing Knowledge. So in this video we are going to see some of the important target for COVID-19. Throughout the world, many scientists and researchers are working in this field to find the cure for coronavirus disease. So in order to help some of the young researchers, what are the important drug targets for this COVID-19, we are going to see in this video. The first one is ACE2. So this is one of the spike protein of COVID-19 which binds with that ACE2 receptor. So the crystal structure is available in RCSB protein data bank. The PDP ID is 1R42. The second, the drug target is SARS spike glycoprotein human ACE2 complex. So it is a bound complex of spike protein and ACE2 host receptor. So there are 4 chains are available in this protein. A, B, C, those chains are spike proteins, and the D chain it is ACE2 receptor. And the crystal structure can be downloaded from protein data bank, and PDP ID is 6CS2. The next one is the native spike protein. So this protein is one of the important protein critical for binding of the host cell receptor to facilitate entry of the host cell. So there are varieties of crystal structures are available in protein data bank. 6CRV, 6LZZ, 6MOZ, 6VW1. The next one is the envelope protein. For SARS-CoV, the PDP ID is 5x29, which interacts with membrane protein to form a viral envelope. This envelope has a crucial role in virus pathogenicity as it promotes viral assembly and release. The membrane protein which interacts with the envelope protein in the budding compartment of the host cell. For SARS-CoV, the PDP ID is 3I6G, and the interaction between the virus and the host may be related to the glycostain of M protein, and it is the central organizer of CoV assembly, and it determines the shape of the viral envelope. Lipid-like protease, PL-PRO. A viral protease is responsible for the cleavage of viral peptides into functional proteins for virus replication and packaging within the host cell. And there are varieties of crystal structures are available in protein data bank. All the links are given in this. MPRO, the main protease. A viral protease is responsible for the cleavage of viral peptides into the functional proteins for viral replication and packaging within the host cell. The two types of cysteine protease acts on these polyproteins to release the 16 non-structural proteins. Okay. If mutated on the SER139 and PHE140 positions, it abolishes the dimetration of 3CL-PRO, that is the in PDP ID 3F9G. The several crystal structures are available in the protein data bank. Non-structural protein 9, NSP9. So it is the replicase protein of SARS coronavirus. NSP9 is a RNA binding protein and interacts with NSP8 for its functions. So it may participate in a viral replication by acting as ssRNA binding protein, and the PDP ID is 6W4B. Non-structural protein 10, NSP10. It acts as the cofactor for the activation of the replicate enzyme It plays a pivotal role in viral transcription by stimulating both NSP14 and the 3, 5. The several crystal structures of these NSP10 proteins are available in the protein data bank. It is 6W4H and 6W75 and 6W61. And the next one is RNA helicase protein NSP13. The PDP ID is 6JYT, the multifunctional protein with a zinc binding domain in N-terminus, which displays RNA and DNA duplex unwinding activities with 5 to 3 polarity. Activity of helicase is dependent on magnesium.